Hey, what's going on? This is Adam Shelton, and I'm back with some more cryptocurrency news and analysis. And today we're going to talk about XRP Ripple. Absolutely, this is a digital asset cryptocurrency that's doing wonders all around the world. And you see on the page here, it says instantly move money to all corners of the world. That got my attention when I first saw this. It got my attention, so I started doing research on it, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you today. Now, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, XRP Ripple, and if you see right here, it says discover why hundreds of financial institutions choose RippleNet to provide a better payment experience and enable greater economic opportunity for everyone, everywhere. Now, when I see this, I'm thinking financial institutions, I'm thinking about banks and payment centers. And then I'm thinking about, okay, they want to have a better experience in terms of payment for everybody all over the world. So now I'm thinking, okay, XRP Ripple is an cross-border payment company trying to solve problems or sending money all over the world. If that's financial institutions, that's individual institutions, if that's just regular people like me and you, use this on an everyday basis. So I started thinking about, wow, that would be really good if I could send money to China within seconds. You know what I'm saying? So I can send, payments to China all over the world and very, very fast. So I looked and say, like, how does XRP work? It says XRP was created by Ripple. So sometimes people get that confused, thinking that Ripple and XRP is together. Well, you got to think about this. XRP was created by Ripple to be a speedy, less costly, and more scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing monetary payment platform like Swift. So basically, Swift is like a slow way of sending money and doing payment transactions. XRP is the fast way of getting money all over the world. And so if you go here, it says RippleNet's ledger is maintained by the global XRP community with Ripple, the company, as an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions roughly every 3 to 5 seconds whenever independent validator nodes come to a consensus on both the order and the validity of XRP transactions. So this thing is fast. And look at this, as opposed to proof of work mining like Bitcoin. So this is much faster than Bitcoin. It's more and more scalability than Bitcoin. It's definitely cheaper than Bitcoin. And it's definitely something that I think other banks, more banks and institutions will be able to start adapting and using. And then it said, how do you buy XRP? Well, there's different ways you can buy XRP. You can do it you can go to Coinbase, you can go to Binance, you can go to, Gemini. So I've got right below the video, I do have a link where you can go ahead and start your free account and go ahead and look into invest into XRP. This is not financial advice, but go ahead and check that link and go ahead and open up your free account and start looking at XRP. Now, if I want to go ahead and look and see how much it costs and what's the rate of XRP, it is 24 cents, and it's the 4th ranked digital assets in terms of market capitalization in the world. So right now it's 24 cents if I'm looking at this. And if I'm doing research, I'm looking at, okay, it's 24 cents. What's the highest it's been? Now, if I got to go back to 2018, that's the highest it's been. Look like it's $3.53. It reached to that level and it's 24 cents now. Now, that was back when they didn't have the use cases and the partnerships that it does now. So you got to be thinking, the next bull run, XRP is going to really do well. That's what I be thinking. But we got to be patient, do our research, and definitely look into other ways of why XRP is going to be well. So I think it is. So then I looked at the price. I looked at what it does. I looked at the fact that what type of problem that's solving. And check it out. It says, how do you store XRP? You can store XRP on the exchange, just like I was talking about Coinbase or Gemini or Binance. You can go ahead and buy your XRP on there, where the exchange is responsible for the safety of your asset, or store your XRP in a cold or hot wallet like a Ledger 90X. You can do that as well. You can actually buy it from an exchange and then actually go ahead and send it to your hard wallet for more extra safety as well. So like a Ledger 90X is something that definitely you want to look into as well. So XRP, then I start looking at this. I'm saying, how many people hold XRP? What's actually the limit? So I look at the Rich List here. So I found this and I was like, the Rich List. These are the how many people who actually hold the accounts of XRP. So 10% of accounts have a balance of 3,246 XRP. And then you can kind of look from here from the date range. Look at this, August 9th to October 31st. Happy Halloween, by the way. You see the length of the trend that is going from 3,030 to 3,245. So if I'm looking at this for each one of these, people are investing to XRP. They're investing into it. They're looking at 11,000. 5% of accounts have 11,197 XRP. And then 4%, 3%, 2%. And these are some of the top ones right here. Look at that, 21 million. That's the balance of XRP accounts. And it's 0.01%. Now you see the trend here that went down here, that so it had a sell off, but I'm pretty sure this is going to go right back up at some particular time. And look at this, these are actually going up and down, but look how consistent these accounts. People are investing into it. XRP from 10% up to about 0.5%, and then the top 3 account percentages, they're going up and down. So that's what I like about it as well. And then you can do, that's by percentage of accounts, and this is by number of accounts of a balanced range. Now you can look here, you can say, okay, 22, look at 22,000. I think it's 22,000 or 200. Look at 220,000. Yeah, 220,693 accounts has between 0 and 19 XRP. Now remember, the price of XRP right now is 24 cents. So it doesn't, to get on this list, it doesn't take much. It really doesn't at all. Do your research, but XRP is definitely one of those digital assets that's doing very, very well in solving problems in terms of cross-border payments, remittance payments, and actually helping people really with a faster and cheaper, reliable source. So here we go. You got 500 XRP to 999, 92,047 accounts. So this is something to look at. So definitely, I look at this, probably once every 2 weeks, just to see if things are growing in a very, very high manner. And you also can go click on here and actually find out some of the accounts on here as well, as this loading stats is coming in. It shows you actually the hard wallets information. So let me go ahead and back out of that for a minute. So yeah, you can go ahead and put here. And another place you also can do in the Rich List, you actually can put in how many XRP you have. So if I had 10,000 accounts, 10,000 XRP, I should say. So if I had 10,000 XRP, it's going to tell me, okay, you are 122,444. Your number, that's where you'll be ranked in terms of how many XRP you have. And it also tells you this, there are 122,443 accounts with more XRP. So that's how many accounts that has more XRP than I would have if I had 10,000 XRP. So this is a pretty good stat here to give you information more about XRP. The Rich List is really cool to really kind of see, okay, what the market is looking like. And when I found this, I started to really do my research in terms of XRP even more, because I'm like, okay, 3% of accounts has 24,261. Okay, that doesn't really take much to really get to that number. If I'm investing and doing my research correctly, I can probably get there. So XRP is definitely one of those digital assets that's doing very well. It's something that I feel like is really going to do well in the future. And of course, do your research about it. And this is one more information I want to tell you. Look at total supply, 99 billion total supply of this, and it's ranked number 4, and it's only 24 cents. And all-time high, okay, the all-time high was $3.84, January 4th, 2018. And we got to remember, that was before the use cases, that was before all the partnership that it accumulated. So I'm going to tell you, do your research in XRP. And this is a trading platform. We were talking about this earlier. These are areas that you can go ahead and invest XRP as well. Well, I'm Adam Shelton. Don't forget, right below this video, if you need to go ahead and sign up on your free account for investing into digital asset cryptocurrency, go ahead and click on the information below. But you can go ahead and sign up on your free account. You can go ahead and get started. And look out for more cryptocurrency news and analysis. Today was more about news today. XRP Ripple. It is time to go ahead and sign out. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good day.